I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Bricksforge as a trigger. Click on the Fetch button and then fill out the Bricksforge form to trigger the data fetch. The form has been submitted successfully. Now return to your integration site and check the response. Here you can see that Bricksforge has successfully fetched the data. Set action. Search and select MailPoet. Connect. Next. Choose the actions. Select a list. Select tags. Select subscription status. Map the respective fields. You can update contact by checking the box. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. The form has been submitted successfully. Now go to MailPoet Contact Dashboard. And you can see the data came successfully in the MailPoet. Thanks for watching.